Today we're taking a look at Singapore Math. It's a 7-step solution strategy for any type of word problem. Today we're going to use it for addition, as we are in the classroom. First, no matter what type of word problem you're solving, you're going to read the problem carefully. Next, you're going to determine the variables, or the who and the what. Then you're going to draw the unit bars. They're always going to be equal at first. You're going to chunk the word problem by rereading it and adjusting the unit bars to match the information. Next, we'll place the question mark to show what we're looking for. We'll do the computation, or create a number sentence, and write a grammatically correct answer sentence at the end. Let's take a look at this in action. Here we've got a word problem. Sydney has 7 SpongeBob stickers. She also has 8 Scratch and Sniff stickers. How many stickers does Sydney have altogether? We've done the first step and read the problem. Now we've got to figure out the who and the what. In this case, we've got the same who but different whats. Sydney is our who, but she's thinking about SpongeBob stickers and Scratch and Sniff stickers. So we're going to write them on 2 different lines, one for each type of sticker. Next, we're going to place the unit bars, and they're always going to be equal at the beginning. Now we're going to reread the problem and adjust the unit bars to match the information. Sydney has 7 SpongeBob stickers. I've chunked that original unit bar into 7 different units. She also has 8 Scratch and Sniff stickers. Here, I've done this 7, just like she had above for the SpongeBob stickers, and I've added a unit bar on. And I would do this instead of squishing 8 into this unit bar. That way, I remember that she has more Scratch and Sniff stickers than she has SpongeBob stickers. I wouldn't want to squish unequal amounts into the same size unit bar. Next, we're going to place the question mark. We're going to add this cool teacher squiggle to show that we are thinking about adding these 2 bars together to get our answer, and we'll put the question mark outside of the teacher squiggle. Next, we're going to do the computation. 7 plus 8 equals 15. 7 for the SpongeBob stickers, 8 for the Scratch and Sniff stickers, and 15 for the answer. But we're not done yet. Let's write out a grammatically correct answer sentence. Sydney has 15 stickers altogether. I like the sound of that sentence. It's got a who, Sydney, and a what has 15 stickers altogether. It's also starting with a capital and ending with a period, and it looks like all of my words are spelled correctly. Let's look at a different type of word problem that Singapore Math might help you with. Micah had 4 more Halloween treats than Caitlin. If Caitlin had 12 treats, how many did they have altogether? These types of problems can be especially sticky, but if we use our 7 steps from Singapore Math, it can guide us through it easily. First, we're going to determine the variables, the who and the what. In this case, we've got 2 different who's, Micah and Caitlin, but they're thinking about the same what, Halloween treats. So we're going to write treats next to each person's name. Next, we're going to draw the unit bars, and they always start off equal. Even though Micah and Caitlin are 2 different kids, and we're talking about 2 different amounts of Halloween treats, our unit bars are always going to start off equal. Next, we're going to chunk the word problem and adjust the unit bars to match. Micah had 4 more Halloween treats than Caitlin. The first thing I did was add 4 more bars onto Micah's original unit bar. This will show that he has the same amount as Caitlin has, but has 4 more than that. If Caitlin had 12 treats, how many did they have altogether? Next, I chunked Caitlin's unit bar into 12 pieces for her 12 treats. I also did the same for Micah's. Because he has that same amount, that 12 that Caitlin has, he also just has 4 more. And again, we always want to make our unit bars look the same. We always just want to add on to them, depending on the information. Let's place our question mark. We're going to use that same teacher squiggle and put a question mark at the end to show that we're adding those 2 amounts together. Here comes the computation. 16 for 16 treats that Micah has, plus 12 to show Caitlin's treat amount, equals 28. And Everyday Math and Singapore Math both like to use quick addition strategies. So here I took the 10 from 16 and added the 10 from the 12 together to get 20. Then I added the 6 and the 2 together. Just a faster way to add. Let's write our grammatically correct answer sentence. Micah and Caitlin had 28 treats altogether. Sounds and looks good to me. I hope this has given you an idea of what's going on in the classroom and how Singapore Math might be able to help you and your child solve tricky words